Consider an example of a corporation that produces 3 fuel products: coal, oil, and natural gas. The table shows the prices and quantities for each of these products in 2020 and 2021, along with the values, equal to quantity times price, in the last column, and the percent changes from 2020 to 2021 in the bottom panel. In this example, the quantity of oil increased by 10 barrels, from 250 to 260, which is a 4% increase. We can calculate the percent changes of quantity and price for each of the individual products because they are measured in consistent units year to year. We can also compare the values of sales or expenditures of individual items or of their total because values are measured in units of currency. In this example, dollars. But the changes in the values combine or mix together changes in quantity and changes in price. For example, the 82% change in value for oil is a combination of a 4% increase in quantity and a 75% increase in price. Furthermore, we cannot calculate a total quantity or average price per unit because the products are not measured in the same units. More generally, it is not meaningful to add quantities of different products, even if they happen to be measured in the same units. Now let's look at how to calculate volume change at constant prices. One way to compare the change in the volume of a basket of products is to value them at fixed prices, such as the prices for 2020. Let's continue with the same example, but in the second panel, we use the actual quantities for 2021 and value them at the prices from 2020. For oil, the 2021 quantity of 260 barrels, when valued at the 2020 price of $40 per barrel, is 260 times $40, which equals $10,400. Thus, when we value the quantities for 2021 at their 2020 prices, only the quantities have been allowed to change, and the prices have been held constant. This means that the changes in value shown in the last column of the bottom panel are no longer a mix of changes in quantities and changes in prices, but represent only changes in quantity. We can interpret the change in total value measured at 2020 prices, that is, the 7.7% increase from $26,000 to $28,000, as an aggregate measure of volume change for the 3 products.